One percenters, welcome back. Coach Tommy here. In today's video, I want to go over practice selection in a segment I call Cash, Splash, and Trash, helping you figure out what moves you should be working on. Here's move number one, a behind the back layup. Here's move number two, coming off a pin down, a show, an up and under layup. And here's move number three, a push cross, going into the defender, leaning back and fading. So what do you think? Which one is cash? You should be practicing most of the time. Which one is splash? The ones you should be developing. And which one is trash? The one that you should be practicing the least. What do you think? All right, move number one is cash. This is the move that you should be practicing. Coming up in transition, dribbling on the left side with your right hand. Some coaches might go crazy, dribble with your left hand towards the sideline, ball towards the sideline. No, dribbling with the right hand on this situation gives you the advantage because you can see all this open space on the left hand side. If you have all that space, dribbling the ball with your right hand allows you to easily set up this move because this looks like you're attacking middle. As soon as Danny Green reaches right there, okay, that simple little reach gets him off balance, and it's a easy behind the back. He's running with this ball, hasn't picked up the ball yet, and it's a quick 1-2 layup off the right foot, and he gets it out of his hand quickly before any type of shot blocker or any contest from LeBron James. It's not a real jump, it's a run through. This is great for shorter players, quicker players, if you want to get the ball out of your hands before the shot blocker. So this one is cash. Play number two, the up and under, is the splash move. It's the play that you should be practicing. We have Jamal Murray coming off a little pin down, coming up. He ball fakes like he's going to shoot it, glances up, quick dribble, shows the ball again to LeBron, contesting two. Dwight Howard can't jump, up and under. The move is very fancy looking. It's a very highlight move, but you always want to show the ball early. If you're contesting shot blockers, what is that going to do? It's going to get these shot blockers to get their shoulders up. So as soon as they lift their arm and extend their arm, if they put that arm down, it's going to be a foul basically. So law or rule of verticality, these guys just got to go straight up and down. It's the advantage offensive player. So you show the ball and you can tuck it and up and under. Now that looks like a really fancy finish, but this is pretty basic. Okay, you just get up in the air, show the ball early. When the defender commits by showing his arms, he's lifting his arms, it's pretty much over for them. You bring the ball down and you just give it a little up and under. Looks real nice, especially going against LeBron, but this move is not that hard and you should be practicing this move until it becomes a regular layup for you. Lastly, the trash move. This move, fading, falling off of the right leg. This is a tough shot. It's one that he can make. It's a push crossover, so here he goes. It looks like he's going middle, using Millsap as a decoy. He rejects it. Quick little push cross, gets downhill on Caruso, blows by him pretty easily. Anthony Davis is not in any type of slide position. He's in a run. Jamal Murray picks the ball up here with the left foot, engages with the right foot. Anthony Davis is still being vertical, very nice. Super tall, lanky, great defender. He jumps up. That would normally be a smack, a block. If any player went up with the right hand, left hand, he would get blocked. But Jamal Murray's leaning into him with his right foot, pushing away Anthony Davis, and then falling back, leaning and reclining and throwing it up, falling towards the baseline. So there are so many things going on, make this shot so difficult. Going in, jumping off the right leg, fading back, leaning, reclining his body, and shooting. This is the most difficult shot. It's an amazing shot that goes in. Should you practice it? Yes. How much time you should practice on this type of shot? Very little, because this situation comes up very infrequently. And if you're shooting this shot in a game, other players that shoot this quite a bit is like Luka. He'll do this. But this is a very, very, very tough shot that in a situation that doesn't come very often. Okay, so there you have it. Cash, splash, and trash. So make sure you are practicing the cash ones the most, building up your repertoire with the splash moves, and spending little time on the trash moves because those will be the least likely to come up. Until next time, guys, take 14 minutes, 24 seconds, or 1% of your day to get better.